neon gassed across the stomach, desert blowing across the palm, exits to freeways twisted like knots on the fingers. Los Angeles is my beautiful suburbs, gone to dogs and producers, gone savage for the orange veil of haze that descends. You see the grid of light below the plane descending upon the airport. Los Angeles loves you. You see visions of saints and cameramen. And she looks at you from a crushed velvet seat in a red car and says, I will give you houses and cars. I will cradle you in sunglasses. I will buy you sunglasses and cigarettes. You see freeways, you see blonde, you know, Los Angeles fucks. Your Cadillac breathes 400 horses over blue lines into blue night. You're going to Reseda to make love to a model from Ohio whose real name you don't know. And you spin like the Cadillac was overturning down a cliff on television. And the radio is on. And the radio man is speaking. And the radio man says women were a curse. So men built Paramount Studios, and men built Columbia Studios, and men built Los Angeles. It is 5 a.m. and you live in Los Angeles. And a teenager screeches of love, crying into a drink. Angel lifts the bluest sun, a drink he drinks illegally. And the highway patrolmen are on motorcycles watching you instead. And the radio man says, it is a beautiful night out there. And the radio man says, rock and roll is... And the radio man says, it is a beautiful night out there in Los Angeles. You live in Los Angeles. And you're going to Reseda. We are all, in some way or another, going to Reseda someday to die. And the radio man laughs because the radio man fucks a model too. Gone savage, teenagers with cocaine and tattoos and ugly guitars. Gone savage for teenagers with automatic weapons and boundless love. Gone savage for teenagers who are aesthetically pleasing. In other words, fly. Gone savage in cars. And Los Angeles gives the teenagers men who are not afraid. And Los Angeles gives the teenagers movie stars and rock and roll stars. And Los Angeles gives the teenagers blood. And the teenagers give Los Angeles love. Los Angeles beckons the teenagers to come to her on buses. Los Angeles loves love. I'm going to Los Angeles to build a screenplay about lovers who murder each other. I'm going to Los Angeles to drive into blue nights with the radio man on. I'm going to Los Angeles so I can feed my words into a machine filled with light, to cast the words into shadows and celebrity faces against a screen in upstate New York, where my mother will see my name 5 feet long and luminous, and think the names and the faces and the words are things that think. And the radio man says, it is 5 a.m. and the sun has charred the other side of the world and come back to us and painted the smoke over our heads an imperial violet. It is 5 a.m. and you are listening to Los Angeles. You are listening. You are listening.